dearie me, it's very blowy. It's very, very blowy. So we've come to another area. We're in the Peak District. It's later on in the day. Sort of come up here for the sunset shoot on this edge. Don't know what the edge is called, can't remember. I'll try and put it in, oh, here. But we've come to this beautiful, well, it's 2 or 3 oaks beyond this old stone wall that's come down, and you walk over the wall and you've got these nice oaks. But before that, about an hour ago, we had some super light as we were walking up, and I tried to capture a photo, and if it works, I'll put that up now. But yes, I'm trying to grab a couple of compositions of this. Actually, some of the other lads have come up as well, so we've all tried to get little compositions. Really nice, it's fantastic. I just wish we had a bit of light, we need a bit of golden light. We ain't really seen it today, to be honest. And the only time we did see it, we was in the pub. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and get a couple of shots of this. Different compositions. The one I've got at the minute, facing it with the 2 oaks leaning from left to right, and they are gnarly and fantastic. So I'm just a bit worried about my tripod getting blow over. So yeah, I'll work some more of these compositions if I get any that I think are worthy of putting up, and if they ain't, you know what, I'll still put them up. You know what? As you can see behind me, it's moody. Even though I'm pointing that way, the camera, I'm pointing that way because we've got some beautiful shaftage light coming into the distance there. I mean, it's seriously beautiful and ultra moody. And I'm actually tempted to get the long lens on quick and try and compress this rock with that instant light background. The problem I will have is ISO will have to be ranked right up there. It really would, because of this wind is quite brutal. It's brutal. It's not particularly cold actually. I've even took a coat off. Raincoat, and there's rain coming in. You can see it coming in. We might get absolutely soaking. But I wonder if I can get it at about 70 mil. Come back. I'm going to come back. I just want to compress that background a little bit. Now, obviously, I've got to hold you because of the wind, but if I can, because I've got the gear head, it's one-handed jobbing pretty much. So, just get that composition. I've got some beautiful rock formations in the front, and that's what's drawing me to this shot, to be honest with you. Real moody, and probably the first shot of the day that I feel actually quite excited about. It's been one of those days, but like I say, we've had a meet this morning and I've had a fabulous time. This light coming through here, when it does break, and it's supposed to, and it's due to in the next hour, we could be in for an absolute dribbler. But after that light, I can definitely see rain. I can see rain over here as well. And that is not that far away at all. The raincoat could be coming back up. I have got to keep you down low to get this shot. We've got a lovely split in the rock, which is quite nice, but it's just a little bit offset. And I can't get it in the middle. It won't go in the middle. But we've got these two big boulders each side, one on the left, one on the right, small one in the middle there, and then this vast vista of drama. And it does look good. I'm blown away by the location. Look at that. That's silver birch behind me. Super. Oh, the drama. Oh, we started to get light and drama and contrast and drama and light. I'm loving this. Oh, steady on, son, steady on. Gotta keep calm. Gotta keep calm. I don't think you're gonna see it, but just over here, there's a good rain shower and it's heading our way and we could get wet. And I think if I do, I'm gonna try and hunker myself down behind a boulder. I don't mind getting wet, but we could get soaking wet. So, shower's over and done with. It's half an hour later-ish. And it's sort of a little bit of rain in there, just little spots, but obviously now we're getting into that golden hour and it's showing potential. So I've actually got a bit of a composition here. We've got this foreground rock, we've got this rock on the right hand side leading you up to this little silver birch that's hanging on the edge of the cliff here, and then obviously that nice backdrop and the beautiful sky, fingers crossed. That's what I'm hoping for. I just hope that this sky holds on long enough to capture that colour, and that's all we're waiting for. And because if you can see that silver birch how it's dancing around in the wind does come and go, little gusts, so pick your moment sort of thing. But I've just whacked the ISO up and we'll try and get a shot that way. But as you can probably see, if I just drop that down a bit so you can see it a bit more. Where are we? Just drop it down, we can see that's probably what I can see there is probably what you can see now. So we're getting into that dark golden hour, end of the day, sunlight, beautiful. But because everything's wet as well now, it's actually added a slightly different element to it all, which is good. So I've actually got two compositions here, and there's one where I'm just incorporating this foreground rock and then just a little bit of the rocks on the right hand side leaving up to the one silver birch. But if I come out and just move a little bit, I've got this sort of crisscross going on of this rock running this way, this rock running this way, silver birch on the right, silver birch on the left, nicely balanced in the image, and then obviously hopefully the epic light as well. So, and I think overall I probably prefer the second composition to the first, maybe. But the good thing is I can literally move very quickly and grab the two. That's what I'm looking for. That is what I'm looking for. Look at that. Let me get you in on that. Look at that beautiful light. Wow. This is summer. This is summer. Look at this. Problem we got is it's still bloody raining. We're facing the wind. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What I'm actually waiting for, I want that sun just to drop just below the edge of the ridge. It's still spitting rain, and that's what's causing me the biggest problems. Okie dokie. Right, okay, he's gone. No, he's not. It's still here. I've got to watch that you don't blow over again because the wind keeps just gusting up, and it's just blew over once. But I've got this lovely little beginnings of a silver birch just bending over, trying to sort of emulate the background there, the hill in the background, and then it plateaus off and this beautiful light. But I'm also trying to incorporate this foreground rock. The problem I got is I need to come out a little bit wide, and then I've got a tree on the right hand side and there's nothing I can do about it, literally nothing. It's frustrating me. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to portrait, and that will definitely solve the problem. Yes, it solved the problem. Why didn't I think about that earlier? So now I like it. I suppose the only thing I've got then is it's sort of not quite balanced, but it is. So let me explain. This rock on the foreground leads up to this tree, and that's on that left hand third. And we have got a rock on the sort of bottom right hand third, and then the only thing that sort of balances is this beautiful light. So I still actually think it works pretty well. I quite like it. If I go landscape, I'm of course incorporating this other tree, which I don't like, but I need to come this far back to get the rock. So it's a little bit of a compromise, definitely a compromise. I might go a little bit tighter in, just somewhere there, just to fill that frame in just a touch and simplify things as well by getting rid of one or two bits. Come on, out to touch. Probably ended up exactly where I was before. Yeah, that we've got, it's not too badly balanced. If I can capture this, the next thing we've got is that tree. It's dancing around, it's getting darker and darker. I'm on ISO 1000, bracketing the shot, trying to get detail in the sky, but trying to get the tree sharp enough. Now I don't mind if it's moving a little bit. What I don't want it is actually blowing around like crazy. I think this could be the last shot though. I really do. So thank you so much for watching again. Thank you so much for your support over the years, and I really, really do appreciate it. I have set up a membership area where I do put a fair few videos up, whether that's about composition and workflow and things like that. So if you're interested in that, please come and join. It's $1.99 a month. There's a little link somewhere in the main page. If you go to my main YouTube, there's a join tab there. But no worries if not. I just appreciate that you even watch them. Be nice if you get a thumbs up, be fantastic too. But until next time, again, thank you so much. I think I'm ready for a beer. I'm going home. I'll see you soon. Well, I'm not going home. Home is the camper van for the night and the pub. And then I'll probably see you in the morning. They're taking the mickey out of me because I'm doing this. Because I actually talk with my hands. My mother told me I talk with my hands. And they're taking the mickey out of me. All right, that's enough of that. See you soon.